What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can increase your Revolut transfer limit. So let's get started. Now first off, to increase your transfer limit on Revolut, once you open up your Revolut account you will be on your default homepage. So from here just go ahead and tap on the icon in the upper left corner, your profile icon. And then from here on the profile menu, you would just need to scroll down until you can see the security tab. Now just go ahead and open up the security tab, and on the next screen you will be able to see a lot of different security related options. So the option that you need to tap on is the transaction limit tab, this one right here. Now here you can see your personal transfer limit. So to increase this limit you would just need to tap on it and then just change up this number right here. So let's say that I want to set a limit for 100,000 euros daily. I will just input one extra zero and tap on confirm. And there we go. So now your transfer limit has been increased. So essentially guys, that's how you can increase your transfer limit on the Revolut app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.